Here is a quick and easy Ramadan recipe for you all. These Parmesan bites are so easy to make and so delicious. I used Ceekays chicken nuggets and transformed them into this cheesy, delicious snack. So I lined the baking tray and arranged some chicken nuggets on there. So here I've got some white pasta sauce and some peppers and some onions. I'm just going to spoon on the white pasta sauce on each nugget. So I'm now going to add a generous amount of cheese on each nugget. I use mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. I'm going to add some red onion and some peppers, but you can leave this bit out if you want to. I'm going to sprinkle on some chili flakes and some herbs. Again, the chilies and herbs are optional, you don't have to put this on if you don't want to. And of course, without Parmesan, they're not Parmesan bites. So I'm going to bake these in a preheated oven at 200°C for just 20 minutes. And we're all done. The delicious cheesy Parmesan bites are ready. Would you try this recipe in Ramadan? Let me know in the comments.